Have you ever wondered if you could put your trading account into an LLC? More importantly, have you thought about the potential tax consequences of doing so? Well, what if I told you there's a right way and a wrong way to do it, and making the wrong move could cost you thousands in unexpected taxes? In today's video, we're diving deep into the strategy of using your LLC to protect your trading account from lawsuits, creditors, and legal attacks. And I'll show you how to avoid the biggest mistakes that traders make when transferring assets into an LLC. And then I'll introduce you to an even more powerful strategy, the Cook Islands Trust and LLC structure, which can provide unmatched protection for your wealth. Hi, I'm the business guy. I'm the CEO of the Lawyers Limited Law Firm and Asset Protection Planners, the nation's largest asset protection firm. And if you're serious about protecting your hard-earned money from lawsuits, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it the right way. So make sure to stick around to the very end. Oh, and before we dive in, I suggest that you subscribe to a channel that can make you money, and someone like me who can protect your money, because if you make it and lose it in a lawsuit, what's the point? All right, let's get started. Now, many people think trading is low risk in terms of lawsuit exposure, but that's far from the truth. Sure, stocks aren't going to sue you, but the problem is you could end up being sued for anything else. And when that trial lawyer suing you spots liquid assets like your stock market portfolio, it's like they just hit the jackpot. So let's say you get into a car accident and you're sued for more than your insurance covers. Happens every day. A contractor sues you over a home renovation dispute. Someone files a frivolous lawsuit. Yes, that happens all the time. And the judge believes them more than he or she believes you, and you get a big judgment against you. If your trading account is in your own name, a creditor can easily garnish it. They can freeze your brokerage account. They can take all your positions. I mean, imagine working hard for many years and studying and picking the right companies, let's say Tesla or Nvidia stock or whatever the hot stock is by the time you watch this video. And one day, boom, your stockbroker gets a court order and locks you out. It's game over. So that's the reason why traders turn to LLCs, to put a layer of protection between them and potential lawsuits. Okay, so let's talk about setting up an LLC for trading the right way. So what's the right way to do this? Step one is to choose the right state. Not all LLCs are created equal. Some states offer stronger asset protection laws than others. For example, if you live in California, where I used to live for 20 years, New York or Massachusetts, for example, those states allow creditors to take your LLC interest. Instead, you need an LLC in Wyoming, where there are laws in place to help prevent creditors from seizing your ownership. This is called charging order protection, and it's a game changer for protecting your assets. Now, here's an insider tip. Wyoming offers charging order protection with only one owner, more technically speaking, one member. However, if you live in a state that requires 2 or more members before you enjoy your charging order protection, I would make your Wyoming LLC a multi-member LLC to strengthen its protection. I remember some Florida case law where somebody had a foreign or an out-of-state LLC. It only had one member, but the judge didn't respect the charging order protection in that other state because Florida charging order protection requires 2 or more members. So I would make sure to follow the rules of the state where you are, even if you have a Wyoming LLC, which I highly recommend. Step 2, you need to consider the taxes. Moving your brokerage account without triggering taxes. Now, one of the biggest mistakes that traders make is transferring their trading account into an LLC the wrong way. So let's say you bought Nvidia stock at $400 and today it's at $1,000 per share, and you sell it to transfer the cash into your LLC. Well, you're paying a capital gains tax on the $600 per share. Ouch. The better way, open a new brokerage account under your LLC's name and then transfer the stock by transfer in kind of your shares into the LLC. This way, you don't sell anything. There's no taxable event. So remember that, transfer in kind. And that's where you simply move the account from one account to another, from your name to your LLC name, and that way you don't trigger a tax against your portfolio. Now let me tell you a little secret insider tip. The hidden problem, real-time trading data fees. Now here's something most traders don't realize. Once you move your trading account into an LLC, some brokers will cut off your real-time market data or charge you expensive fees. For example, Charles Schwab waives professional trader fees if your account has over $250,000. Other brokers might classify you as a professional trader and charge hundreds per month for real-time quotes. So here's a solution. It's called a personal property trust. So what we do is we create a personal property trust. If you need real-time fees, but you don't want to pay professional traders fees, open the brokerage account under the personal property trust instead of directly in the LLC. The personal property trust acts as a pass-through entity, so you retain your real-time data while still keeping your asset protection in place, and then you simply assign the trust's beneficial interest to the LLC. It's a separate piece of paper called an assignment of beneficial interest, real simple, one page, transferring that beneficial interest to your Wyoming LLC, meaning the LLC still owns the asset, but your trading experience remains the same and you still get your real-time data. Now, what if you want even stronger protection? The Cook Islands Trust Strategy. Now, if you really want to bulletproof your protection, let's take it a step further. A Wyoming LLC is great, but if a judge orders you to turn over your LLC ownership, you might be forced to comply. That's why serious traders, especially those with 6 or 7 figure trading accounts, upgrade to an offshore trust structure. So why the Cook Islands? The Cook Islands is the strongest asset protection trust in the world. No U.S. court can force a Cook Islands trustee company law firm to comply with a judgment. Now, your account is protected the moment you put it into the trust. The statute of limitations for fraudulent transfer in the Cook Islands is only 1 to 2 years, which means that after this time, your opponent won't even be able to challenge the transfer into the trust, and if they do, they probably lose anyway, compared to 10 years in the U.S. under bankruptcy law. Now, here's how it works. We set up a Cook Islands trust. We put a Cook Islands LLC inside of your trust, so your trust owns 100% of the LLC. Now, you are the LLC manager, meaning you control everything until you face a legal attack. And if a lawsuit happens, our licensed bondee trustee law firm in the Cook Islands can step in to protect you and legally protect your assets. The result? Your money's safe. And even if the judge demands you turn over the assets, you can't, because they are offshore beyond the U.S. court jurisdiction. Now, you can reach the money anytime, but your enemy at law cannot. Now, we usually set up the trading account in the Cook Islands itself or in Switzerland, one or the other. Now, here's a case study, how a Cook Islands trust saved a trader. Let me share a real life case. One of my clients, a successful day trader, was sued for $2 million after a business dispute unrelated to his trading was filed against him. He had $750,000 in his brokerage account, and the creditor was coming for it. Luckily, he had followed my recommendation, and his brokerage account was in an LLC inside of the Cook Islands Trust. And then when the creditor's attorney realized they couldn't get the court to seize his assets, they settled for pennies on the dollar. And if he hadn't taken action, he would have lost everything. Let's talk about the best structure for traders. So what is the best structure to protect your trading account? For basic protection, we set up a personal LLC in Wyoming. We could also use Nevada. I like Wyoming better. The pros are it keeps your creditors away from your trading account. Now, the cons are a U.S. judge can still pressure you to turn it over. So a U.S.-based LLC offers a good basic level of protection. For intermediate protection, we set up a personal property trust plus an LLC. And in this case, for intermediate protection, the personal property trust will be an asset protection trust. And if asset protection is your goal, if you want intermediate protection, the personal property trust will be an asset protection trust. And we set that up, for example, in South Dakota because that offers the best protection when it comes to U.S.-based trusts. But it's still penetrable. U.S. courts can still penetrate it, but it gives you a good mid-level of protection. So it retains your real-time data access, and it also requires a proper setup, and U.S. courts can penetrate U.S. trusts. So it's a medium level of protection. And so for the strongest protection possible, for advanced protection, let's say you have $500,000 or more in your stock trading account, I'd really recommend a Cook Islands Trust plus Cook Islands LLC. With a Cook Islands Trust plus LLC, it's really a bulletproof protection solution. We've never had any of our clients who set up the structure lose money from a judgment by having a Cook Islands Trust because U.S. courts don't have jurisdiction over our offshore trustee law firm, and we set up the account for trading in an international location like a very strong bank brokerage account in Switzerland or in the Cook Islands itself. And the cons of this structure are it costs a little bit more to set up. But if you have a $2 to $10 million portfolio that could be gone if you don't set this protection up, it's pretty inexpensive, isn't it? So to review, if you have over $500,000 or expect to grow your wealth significantly, a Cook Islands Trust is the ultimate security measure. So here's some final thoughts and a call to action. Protecting your trading account isn't optional. Nowadays, it's essential because lawsuits, if you own a business, you're a target. If you worked hard and you built wealth, you're a target. And don't leave it exposed to lawsuits. Take action before trouble hits and not after. It's like insurance. So if you'd like to talk about setting up a bulletproof structure for your trading account, visit us at assetprotectionplanners.com. You'll get a lot more free information there. And you can also get a free strategy session if you're serious, not just curious, and talk with my team. And if you found this video helpful, smash that subscribe button. We'd like to see you again. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.